Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to share Spotify Wrapped 2022 on your Snapchat story. So first of all, of course, if you don't have the Spotify application or even the Snapchats on your phone, you will need to go and download them through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. So once you actually did that or do that, just go and open your Spotify, and of course you'll need to log in into your account if you are not logged in into your account, or if you don't have an account you'll need to go and create one. So once you did all of this, you'll find yourself here at this home or at this main screen. So of course, if you didn't find this your Spotify 2022 Wrapped, you will need to go and check one of our videos on this channel on how to actually fix that. So of course, you can even also just like go and check for updates if you didn't find it, or you can like restart your phone, or you can just go and clear the cache, and you will certainly, one of those solutions will certainly work for you. So once you actually open it, did that, and open your Spotify, you will find your 2022 and review here. So just go and click at play right here, and as you can see, you will find this Spotify Wrapped. So of course, if you want to share this story, like some stories are shareable and some of the other ones are not shareable. So as you can see, you will need to play the story and wait a bit until you find the option down there at which is gonna be share the story. So just go and click on it, and as you can see, you'll have here a lot of options. So simply make sure to click on your Snapchat, and then, oh, so for me, I'm not actually logged in into my Snapchat. So to do not waste you actually your time, just go and log in into your Snapchat for you, and you will be able to share it on your Snapchat. So of course, if you don't even have an account, you can just go and create one. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.